Hey guys, you're watching GT Sam. I'm Sam, and this is my Honda Civic EXL 2007, and it is perfect. Almost. So today, what we have here, I discovered that while testing it out, and I was on my test drive and everything, I tested out the speakers and a bunch of other stuff that I usually do and more, but there was sound coming out of the speaker systems, but only in the rear, not the front. But the tweeters up front do work, but the two bottom door speakers don't. So today, what we're gonna be doing is actually just taking this whole door panel apart and then taking the speaker out, testing it for the ohms and see what the resistance is and see if there's anything going on with it, or if it's an open circuit or anything like that. So this actually isn't too bad. You take the whole door panel off, it sounds pretty intimidating, but you should be able to take it off by just taking a pry tool and then reaching under here, prying this up gently, and then you have a screw back here and like some kind of push pin back here as well behind the plastic, and then you have one other screw as well down below, and that is really it. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. Alright guys, so also my tools here today I'm using is just like some pry tools. These are auto trim removal tools, and they're like these big heavy duty plastic pieces here, and these won't mark or scratch anything, and just a Phillips head screwdriver. Nothing too crazy right there. Alright, so right back here we have this little plastic cover. Oh, and there it goes. Oopsies. Check that. And see back here, screw all the way back there, a little push pin thing. Let's go ahead. Put the screwdriver first. So that does that. And then a little push thing. So you pull the handle out, push, boom, done. To take this out, just gonna need to pry up from the back. A little more gusto, it's a little too short. Let's try this big boy. There it is. Remember, from the back, there's a clip over here that you don't want to break. Take it up nice and easy, move it out. Alright, there it is. Okay. Yep. Next, just go ahead and unclip this. So there's a clip right here, you push on it and you push it up as well. And boom, there we go. Okay, not too bad. It seems a little worse than what I thought. Now, screw all the way down here. That's good. There's a frisbee on this. Dude, this is the broken rib. Kinda hurts. Alright. Now since all the screws and bolts are out, we gotta go around the whole edge and pry it off. Plastic tools are perfect for this, so. Alright guys, so this is it. Time to take this whole thing off and we're gonna get right to the speaker here. I'm gonna try this one first. See what we get. There you go. We're really gonna give that some gusto. Alright, go along the bottom is what I found to work, and just pry. I should probably use the other arm. Broke the rib. Alright, there we go. Nice and easy now. On the brick thing. Up. Just so pull up. Alright. There we go. Alright. Nice and easy, don't want to break anything. Alright, to get this out, you need this. Alright, that is it. I have to give this a little more gusto again. Also, don't lose this. This fell out of the door. It's important. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. Just all stuck. Just trying to keep everything together in case I need it again. Alright, slide up. Okay, grab slide up. That's what you gotta do. There it is. That's how you get it out. It's usually kind of just pressed in there with this sticky foam. So you got the little clamp on the back here. You're gonna press and release and wiggle. Oh, that's a lot of wiggle. Interesting. Very interesting. Let me show you what we got here. This is interesting. Okay, guys, here's the speaker. This is what we have. Seems okay. Seems kind of decent. Like, it wouldn't be too bad or anything like that. But here's something suspicious. See a little bit over here. That here and here, highly corroded, and these connectors inside here are pretty corroded as well. And this is some weird residue right there. Like a splash of some sort. I'm not really sure what that would exactly be from, what that would be. But, yeah, there's a lot of splashing going on. A lot of corrosion too. So, we're going to try and fix this. I'm going to test it out and see what's going on as well. Okay, so we're here at the speaker. I've got my little meter. So, as I was saying, I got to test the continuity here. And what I believe is we should have 4.4, I believe, the ohms on the meter here. So, go get this here. So I'm going to switch it right here. Switch that over. Alright, 1 ohms. So I'm just going to leave this here for you. Do the test, these 2 leads. Did that dead? I mean, we should be getting some kind of reading here. You go over here, get a reading, go to themselves, get a reading, but over here, it's like nothing. We have to dig this in a little further. Here's what we got. So that's what my suspicion was: dead speaker. If something happened to all the mechanics here, and this is no go. All right, and we're back. Speakers are in, wires are in. Super massive delay of FedEx. Not happy with that, but we finally have them. It's been a couple of days, but super excited about these. They're the Pioneers, max 320 watts, 6.5 inches. They got adapters with them as well. They're a 3-way coaxial speaker. Now what that means is that it has like a small subwoofer built in, tweeter, and then also mid-range speaker. So it has everything we need. I think the speakers are in here are just like tweeters and mid-range. So not a lot of bass. I want something with a lot of bass. These were just a little out of my price range, but I found them a sweet deal on eBay. Went for it. So they're open box. We'll see what happens. I guess it was pretty open, but I'm excited for these. So, and I'm hoping for really good results here. So let's go ahead, pop this open. I got the wire adapters right here. Got 4 of those. Don't know I got 4, but I have them. eBay special again. If I don't cut away from myself, everyone's going to hate me in the comment section. There we go. I got a tape on there. Ow. Okay, that's okay. It's got a little damage, but open box. Yeah, I think I can work with this though. And it comes right off. Sweet. All right. What we have here, you can see this is kind of busted up a little bit. It's no fun. This one. I think we made it. Good. Alright, so I'm going to do a little test here for you guys and show you what the multimeter here is supposed to say for all that. So again, I'm going to switch it to the ohms setting. Booting up here. Alright. So I think that's positive. Doesn't really matter, but let's just see. Put on different both of the leads. Oh, it's beeping. There we go. 3.5. There we go. I just hope you all saw that. Nope, you didn't see that at all. So, okay. Yep, 3.5 ohms. That's perfect. That's exactly what we need. And so that's what we should be seeing on. That's exactly what we should be seeing on the other ones, but they're completely gone. So this should work. I thought these would come with brackets, but I don't think it does. But okay, we're gonna have to fashion something for these on the door here. More taking from the old speakers and see what we can do. Okay, remember this guy, pretty lame, but it's on this bracket, and so if we need to take that, we will. I kind of hope not, but where's we got the bracket here? Let's just do a fitment first. Yeah, so we got cover off that, and I'm just gonna slide it in. Oh, well, honestly, I think we might be able to get away with just doing some kind of jerry-rigging here of some sort, and we might be able to just bolt in some stuff, and that might be good. Or we can get fancy with it and use the old bracket. Well, that just happened. Took the old speaker out because I wanted to, and let's see if I put kind of make an adapter. Put the adapter in just in case. Okay, get this one away. Okay. Okay, guys, stay with me on this one. I know this is completely janky, but on this plastic here, I'm able to like put a pretty pointy screw in and just get started into the plastic a little bit, and there's a little bit of gap there to hold out the speaker. The screw right here is like kind of self-starting in a way, and then I'm gonna put the bolt up here for here, and then I'm putting like 1 or 2 more screws, and then I'm gonna try it. Let me just start it here. Get everything lined up. Does that work? That seems really cheap of me. I don't, but it's going into something. I don't know what it's going into, but it's an old plastic bracket, so I'm just gonna do it. The top one's still lined up. Huh. Well, all right then. Okay, right there. You see that at all? You see that screw right in there? Right in there. It's peeking through. That's awesome. We'll take that. I'm just gonna try these for now, and then I'm gonna bolt it up. So let's put the cables together and bolt it up here. See what we get. This might not work. This might be really stupid, but we're gonna try everything. Okay, nope. Oh, come on. That's just way too tight. That's in. I'm just gonna leave it for now. That's not good. You gotta be careful with these because it's gonna bend and break. I'm trying to be really careful here. Put my finger underneath the connector and pushing with the other. Yeesh. Alright. Let's go ahead and put this in. Okay. Alright. Okay. There we go. Alright, give it just a little bit. Okay. Yeah, this is sticking out here. I know. So, slightly worried. It's really big. Ooh. It might work. And just, I'm gonna power on the car. Let's just test it out real quick. See if we can actually get anything from it. I don't know what the radio stations are right now, but oh yeah, there's nothing. Hey! Yeah! Sound! Okay, there's the back. We got this lip sticking out here, and it's gonna be tight. We're gonna try it. Might have to cut some of this away. We don't want to, but in the name of better speakers, we might just have to. And we're back. Took a piece off. Yeah, this air cutter kind of comes in handy pretty quickly. So that worked well. Let's just try it again. Let's do some fitment, see what we get. Well, I think I got it. I was doing a lot of like sanding down and behind this grill here and cutting away, and seems like things fit in place. The middle might be, I guess, a tweeter guard, but we're okay because it's not that bad. So we're gonna try it with some louder music, louder bass, see if anything rattles around or whatnot. I think that's a winner. We did it. Cool. Let's just put this door back together and move on to the next one. Yeah, here we are again. Let's start lining things up. Alright, it's getting dark out. Let's finish this. Did all my cutting. Now let's pop this baby in. Put the wiring right. White, positive. So don't forget your cables. Whew! Here they are. Make sure it's all nice and tight. Sweet. Alright. Now, of course, let's see how it sounds before we start buttoning everything back up like crazy. Wood. Well guys, that's it. We successfully got all the speakers and doors back together, and I have brand new speakers in there, better than OEM. Got it for a great deal. A little modification, but not too bad. If you enjoyed today's video, go and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to know more about what videos are coming up and more modifications like this to this car and things like that, make sure you subscribe. We got a lot more content coming your way really soon. I'm really excited. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate everything you guys do and all the comments. I read them all. I'd say this project wasn't too bad. For a Civic, this is actually pretty easy, and they put everything together pretty easy with a few screws and bolts, and then you gotta just pry and pull a lot of the components apart and then you push them back together. Really not bad. Unlike my Acura, a little more tedious, and just it's a luxury car, so things are a little bit made a little bit differently. But this Honda Civic is so much easier to work on, so that's what makes it actually a joy. But anyways, it wasn't too bad, and the modifications aren't too much either. And there are speakers out there that could fit a little bit better than these ones. I just wanted these ones because they were rated really well, and I just really wanted them to fit. So I made them fit. So guys, thanks again so much for watching. This is GT Sam. Catch you next time.